Hello everyone, magandang umaga guys. This is a very rare spinach, Ilocano spinach. this is in this spinach you have a little thorn. You need to take out clean and you need to make it as a lumbung. Lumbung they used to say. It is called a boil and put kamatis or sibuyas, some bagong. It's a salad, very tasty and healthy. My wife is also Ilocano, so I like this dish always. I ask her to do all this one. Very tasty. And this one is sambar, spicy sambar. It's an Indian spicy sambar mixed with vegetables, kamatis, some tomato, potato, and for the spicy we have chili. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video and we will see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye.